So, Satoshi Multiplier is what we're talking about today. Satoshi Multiplier, not an easy thing to say. Satoshi, if you didn't know, is little bits of Bitcoin, tiny, weeny bits of Bitcoin. And all around the internet there are faucets, they are called, where you can pick up a little bit of Satoshi every half an hour, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Every program's different. They also generally have some paid-to-click ads. They have other things called short links, which personally I'm not very keen on because they tend to go to weird or not very nice websites, let's put it that way. So I tend to avoid those. There's all sorts of things you can click on and make money with. Surveys, again, not really my cup of tea. But the paid-to-click and the faucets, yes, I've been thinking for a while, why not start scooping up all these bits and bits of Satoshi and eventually get a little bit of Bitcoin into my pocket. And everybody is struggling so much at the moment, so I'd already thought that really this is the sort of program a hell of a lot of people need, because the energy bills by all accounts this winter are going to be crippling, and I think a lot of people are going to struggle with it. And so I know a lot of people are looking for something, a free program. And before you jump down my throat and say anybody that doesn't put money into a business doesn't really want a business, doesn't deserve one, you need somebody who pays money. These people are struggling. I've been in their position. I know what it's like. And sometimes you just haven't got the money to put in. So I thought, if we join some of these programs like Cointiply and Coinpayu and pick up these little bits, then we can actually use some of that money to join other programs that perhaps, will increase that money. And so that's the way I'm looking at it. And I think there's a lot of people who want to get involved with this. There's people all over the world who are struggling for money. And if they can make their own money by doing lots of clicking, I think that's a really good thing. So Frank came up with this idea. He's already doing really well with it. This has only been open 3 days, I think it is now. So I've only really just been through it all. I have made a quick splash page because I believe that Satoshi Multiplier, my internet's not the best, but it's taken a while to load. And so I've done a splash page because I'd already started a splash page for the few programs that I'd already joined, like Cointiply and Coinpayu and Free Bitcoin. Probably about 8 programs. But now Frank's got the whole website out. I've just put it on here with just a banner clicking through to Satoshi Multiplier. So it's a nice, simple splash page. I've put the adverts on there from, this is made with LeadSleep, and LeadSleep is so simple, so good. And even if you join as a free member, I mean, if you don't join it, I think you're crazy, because I think it's the best thing on the internet. I really wish it was it probably was here at the beginning when I started, but I wish I'd known about it early on. I can't say how good LeadSleep is, and it seems very simple. I've been in some autoresponders and things like that that are really complicated, and page builders, and this does all of it. And I mean, I'm a pro member now, but I haven't always been. I was a free member for years, and actually, I actually started making money in it when I'd gone offline for a while, because I'd left a video up about LeadSleep. And it turned out a few people had clicked it, joined and upgraded, and I was making money on LeadSleep without any effort. So that's another story. Anyway, back to Satoshi Multiplier. Sorry, talk too much. So Frank gives you a breakdown here of what we're doing. We actually all joined the WowApp, which again was something quite new to me, because I've always been talking to people on like Facebook and Telegram, that sort of thing. So they use WowApp as a communication tool for the team. And I'm starting to enjoy it. I'm just, sorry, excuse my phone going off. I'm just getting my head around all these extra programs that Frank's put in. But there's lots of faucets in here. So every day I do my clicking. And I have discovered one of the secrets is to not just, if you've got a second, like a phone, a mobile, or I've got a little iPad that I use as well. And so I can often be claiming from more than one faucet, or doing paid-to-click adverts on two devices at the same time, and I've really found that helped once we'd got all these in, because you don't want to be spending all day on the internet just clicking links, because apart from the fact your hand will drop off. We haven't got the time in life nowadays, have we? There's too many other things to do. So as I say, these are all down here. So it's like a downline builder, Satoshi Multiplier is. So you join all these, and then you click them each day. Do a few ads on each, a few paid to clicks ads on each one. Claim everything you can do, and excuse me. Frank has a video at the bottom of each one, each page. The first one. Go on to Cointiply, and there'll be you have to put your affiliate ID in there, and then go to the bottom and click submit. And just up here, as I say, my internet's going a bit slow because of the screen recorder, and a video will come up here, and Frank will explain, and he's also written it all down so that you can see what there is that you have to do specifically on Cointiply and on each program as you go through it. There are other ways as well to improve, to build your Satoshi into more Satoshi. In particular, Crypto Win, I think it is, where you put 1,000 Satoshi in at a time, and you get back, I think it's 26% anyway. I'm pretty sure that's it. So you're increasing your Satoshi, and that's the plan, isn't it? To increase what we get, not just, he's going to teach you not just to claim, not just to sit clicking all day, but how to build that Satoshi into better amounts. And joining the WowApp group really helps, because it tells you a lot about what people are doing, what people recommend. So, and everybody can help you to build your clicking up to more than it is. So I'd really recommend getting into Satoshi Multiplier. If you don't live in the UK, sorry, I've got lots of WowApp messages popping up because I've just been in the chat. So if you're from another country and you need to translate them, we've already got Google Translate in here. Frank's just added this, so you can just go on there and select your language, which is great, I think. Now the only thing with that is that this will all be translated, but any videos he's done, he doesn't speak in other languages, so he can't translate videos. So obviously that is up to you, I'm afraid. But at least then you've got all the information there, so you can it'll really help you to get going. So that's it, Satoshi Multiplier. So let's all go around the internet and pick up all those bits of Bitcoin and start making some money from nothing. You can join for free. So as I said, my name's Sue Collier, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.